I am ready to continue making a winter landscape. I have my painting, glue and scissors, a piece of construction paper in the color of my choice, and also some green and brown construction paper scraps. First, I'm going to glue my painting onto the big piece of construction paper. This will frame my artwork for presentation. Now it's time to make some trees. I will cut different size triangles out of this green paper. To cut a triangle, I tilt my scissors diagonally toward the middle and cut up. Then I go to the other side, angle my scissors toward the middle again, and cut up to meet the other cut. So it comes to a point. This makes a triangle. You might know a different way to cut a triangle, and that's okay. Be sure to cut out at least 3 different sized triangles. Do some bigger ones, some smaller ones, and some medium-sized ones. Then cut out some small rectangles from the brown paper to make the tree trunks. Now I'm ready to place my trees onto the hills. I need to remember that the biggest trees will go near the bottom of the paper because this is the foreground where things are closer and look bigger. I'll place slightly smaller trees in the middle ground, and I'll place the smallest, teeniest trees near the top of the paper, which is the background where things are the farthest away and look the smallest. When I see your winter landscapes, I want to make sure you understand this. The biggest trees go near the bottom of the paper, and the smallest trees go near the top. This creates space and makes your art look more realistic. Now that I know where my trees are going to go, it's time to glue them down. Last but not least, I have some metallic paint, a little paintbrush, and I'm going to add some extra details to my landscape. So first, I'm going to paint swirly lines to represent the wind blowing. I'll paint the swirly lines all over my landscape. Now I'll add some lines to my trees to kind of look like branches, and it'll make them sparkle and stand out. Now I'll paint little dots for snow all over my landscape. And last, I'm going to make a snowflake pattern on the frame around my landscape. If you want to make snowflakes like this, you just have to paint a letter X with an extra line going through the middle. Now my winter landscape is all finished.